Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rahmawati Junita. I'm a student of Pancasakti University. I'm from English Education Program. And now I want to explain the material of basic grammar. And the first material is a definition of degree comparison. What is the definition of degree of comparison? The degree of comparison of an adjective describes the relational value of one thing with something in another clause of a sentence. The comparative degree of an adjective is used to compare the quality with that of another of its kind, and the superlative degree is used to compare the quality with many of all others. So, how many degree of comparison? Degree of comparison is divided into three. This is a positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. The first is positive degree. Function is when the adjective is used to compare two nouns with the same level. We call it as positive degree. The pattern is as plus adjective plus as. The example is Budi as diligent as Ali. And another example is Jessica as beautiful as Hannah. Next, comparative degree. The function is when adjective is used to compare two nouns or people with different level. We call it as comparative degree. Comparative degree use then after the adjective, and the pattern is one adjective plus er plus then for one syllable, and another pattern is more plus adjective plus then for more than one syllable. When you compare two people or thing, you have to add er to the adjective only if it is a one syllable adjective, and when the adjective have two syllable or more, you have to use more to make the comparison. Okay, for one syllable, the example is tall, taller, short, shorter, long, longer, happy, happier, and big, bigger. And for two or more syllables, the example is careful, more careful, comfortable, more comfortable, expensive, more expensive, handsome, more handsome, charming, more charming. For example pattern, one is adjective plus er plus then for one syllable. The example is my father is bigger than my brother. And for more plus adjective plus then for more than one syllable. The example is my sister is more beautiful than Jessica. Next is superlative degree. The function of superlative degree is when adjective is used to compare more than two nouns or people with different level. We call it as superlative degree. Superlative degree always use the before the adjective. The pattern is the plus adjective plus est for one syllable, and the plus most plus adjective for more than one syllable. When you compare two people or thing, you have to add est to the adjective only if it is a one syllable adjective. And when the adjective have two syllables or more, you have to use most to make the comparison. And for one syllable, the example is tall, tallest, short, shortest, long, longest, happy, happiest, big, biggest. And two or more syllables, the example is careful, most careful, comfortable, most comfortable, expensive, most expensive, handsome, most handsome, charming, most charming. For pattern, the plus adjective plus est for one syllable. The example is, my father is the tallest in my family. And for the pattern, the plus most plus adjective for more than one syllable. The example is, my brother is the most handsome boy in my town. Next material is conditional sentence. What is the conditional sentence? Conditional sentence is a complex sentence which consists of an if clause. The if clause is the dependent clause and main clause used to express a condition for result, independent clause. And conditional sentence have 4 types on conditional sentence. The first type, one is first type or conditional type 1 or first conditional, future or real possible condition. 2 is second type or conditional type 2 or second conditional, present unreal condition. 3 is third type or conditional type 3 or third conditional, past unreal condition. 4 zero type or real condition. And the pattern is if plus subject plus verb 1, comma, subject plus will plus infinitive. The example is, if I see Andrew at the meeting, I will give him our message. And in the sentence I see, this is a simple present, and sentence I will give, this is a simple future. Used to talk about something that is quite likely to happen in future. It is very possible that I will see Andrew at the meeting, in which case I will give him your message. The condition is quite likely to be fulfilled for presenting future plans. Real possibilities, step in an argument points in a procedure, predictable consequence, and instruction. And if clause dependent condition, the pattern is if plus present tense. The example is, if the student score at least 85% on the exam. And independent clause result, the pattern is plus future tense with will or might or should plus infinitive. The example is, they will be eligible for an exemption. Next is second conditional. The pattern is if plus subject plus verb 2, comma, subject plus would plus infinitive. The example is, if my parents were alive, they would be very proud of me now. The sentence where, this is a simple past, and would be, this is a word plus infinitive. Used to talk about present situation which is impossible. A hypothetical situation, the situation cannot be fulfilled because my parents are not alive. If clause or dependent condition, the pattern is if plus simple past. The example is, if I know the student well. And independent clause result, the pattern is plus would or might or could plus infinitive. The example is, I would advise him not to take exam in February. The last material is elliptical construction. The function of elliptical construction is elliptical structure is joining two sentences by omitting a part of sentences to make it shorter without changing the meaning. An elliptical construction have three types, and one is positive sentence plus positive sentence, 2 negative sentence plus negative sentence, 3 positive sentence plus negative sentence. Okay. A. Positive plus positive. Pattern. One pattern is positive sentence, comma, and plus subject plus auxiliary plus 2. The second pattern is positive sentence, comma, and plus so plus auxiliary plus subject. The example sentence is you bought a new book, she bought a new book. First is you bought a new book, and she did too. And second is you bought a new book, and so did she. Okay. B. Negative plus negative. One pattern is negative sentence, comma, and plus subject plus auxiliary plus not plus either. And two pattern, negative sentence, comma, and plus neither plus auxiliary plus subject. The example sentence is I don't like smoking, he doesn't like smoking. One is I don't like smoking and he doesn't either. And two is I don't like smoking and neither does he. Next, C. Positive plus negative. One pattern is positive sentence, comma, but, comma, plus subject plus auxiliary plus not. Second pattern is negative sentence, but, comma, but plus subject plus auxiliary. The example is Amir can play a guitar, but Ali can. One is Amir can play a guitar, but Ali can. Two, Ali can't play a guitar, but Amir can. Okay, so that definition of degree comparison, conditional sentence, and elliptical construction. Okay, maybe enough from me. If you found many mistake in my speech, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.